We are back here. Fourth set action, 8-7. FAU with the lead. 6-point run right now for FAU. Naku, dikit na naman sa net.
Sayang yung chance lang yun para kay Palma.
Remulla again, almost.
Oh my.
4 touches.
Grabe yung runs na nakikita natin dito sa set na ito.
Bilis, no? Palitan.
At saka ang daming puntos.
Dami. Tuloy-tuloy.
Hindi yung patatlo-tatlo eh. Pang ilan na to? Pang 7 na to?
Oh, pang 7.
Pang 7 na to?
Yeah, 7 point.
Nice. And you cannot expect Jelly Tabacero to be the one to defend that.
She was serving.
Siya na yung pumalo sa serve. Siya pa yung kakayod dito to defend the two blockers in front. Ayan, no? Siya pa rin ba yan?
Ganda nung hulog ni Alisa.
Nakita niya bukas na bukas. Oh. Game changer for Ateneo, committing a rare mistake. Ahumiro with that service error.
Ahumiro straight into the tape.
Mahusay naman na laro ito, no?
Yeah.
Buuan loob eh.
Ahumiro, hindi na nakabalik si Z Hervasio. She has taken her place. Good reception. Ay, dikit sa net yan. Pero inibabawan ni Alisa.
Sobrang kabisado na niya itong si Jem Ferrer, no? Ipit na rito si Jem eh. Masyadong malapit sa net pero nilobo na lang niya.
Look at that. Look at that. Full extension of the arm.
Grabe,
Hindi niya na binaba. Yung wrist na lang niyang
inabol na lang niya
pumalo. Hindi nga naman maabot ng blocker. Oh! Patrona! Again, Coach Ronnie, it started with a good reception from Remulla. Giselle C didn't even have to move a bit and maganda yung tapo niya kay Patrona. Perfect.
Ang hirap patayin ng bola, ha? Kasi may pectus yan eh. Papatayin mo tapos eksakto yung pag-give mo doon sa setter.
Strong serve from Palma. From the back row, short attack coming from Phil. Ito na naman, Patrona. Cross-court hit.
Palma did not have a steady first ball yet. She was able to get that ball on the sweet spot of Patrona.
Ayun, ay babaw sa block. Ito. Hindi inabutan ni Phil. Timeout by Ateneo. Let's listen in. Alright, and ito yung ating mga fans na nanunood dito sa loob ng Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Hating-hati yan. Mayroon dyang Ateneo, mayroon dyang FAU, and sabi nga namin, if you wanna enjoy exciting volleyball action, if you wanna see these girls play, please come over here to the Ninoy Aquino Stadium every Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Almost hitting Ahumiro. That serve was really long, pero si Ahumiro parang hindi alam kung aalis ba o sasaluhin. Montik lang siyang naman tinamaan.
Kaya importante nakatali yung buhok.
Ikala ko ano sasabihin. Yun naman.
Nakawit pa.
Inabot ni Eulalio.
Good block.
Tabacero with a good dig. They go Patrona again. Good save. Oh! Point for Ateneo. Good play coming from Jem Ferrer and Phil Cainglet.
Two straight points for the Lady Eagles. But what about that pancake once again by Miss Ivy Remulla?
He saved niya. Good short serve. Patrona again, cross-court, hindi nila mahanap o mapigilan yung cross-court from Patrona. But now she's in the back row. She's about ready to serve. FAU up by 2, 13-11. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. FAU not able to keep that ball in play.
Angelita Baquero says one stop. One good reception to allow them to execute on offense.
Baquero off the block.
Yan ang pamatay niya, no? Hahanapin niya yung mga blockers, tapos
Yung mga
pasasangga
pakita-kita.
niya yan, no?
Yung mga singit-singit, gilid-gilid.
Para pektusan mo yung bola, no? Hindi madali yan.
Giselle with a short serve, almost not making it. Yun, nabasa yung dig. They go Remulla, who gets blocked by Kainglet. Could be fatigue.
Yes. Without doubt. Yung reaction time mo talaga, malaki ang ibabagal pag heavy na yung legs mo. Ateneo down by 1. Fourth set po tayo. Nanalo sa first 2 sets ang FEU.
Uy, walang attacker for Giselle.
Wow.
Remulla! Pinawihan si Alicia Valdez. Single block, pinayungan si Alicia Remulla, making up for her offensive error. Look at this.
Kung yung palo, wala na masyadong
Oh,
lutong.
nice block.
Yung depensa, meron pa. Meron pang sigla for Miss Ivy Remulla.
Eulalio, crucial serve coming up. And
my.
she gets an ace. Poor reception from Phil.
I think she took her eyes off the ball.
Akala niya kasi magaan yung dating ng bola eh.
Babalik na lang niya ng maayos.
Oo.
Tatlo kalamangan ng FEU dito sa fourth.